Wondering if your HyperX QuadCast works with your Xbox Series XS or Xbox One? Great news, it does. As of mid 2025, direct USB connection provides seamless game chat and audio input. Simply plug the Quadcast into a rear USB port on your Xbox. In the Xbox settings, go to Settings, Devices and Accessories, Audio, and select the Quadcast as the chat mixer input. It will capture mono audio for clear voice comms. If your mic isn't immediately recognized, power cycle the Xbox. Note that advanced features like polar pattern selection and HyperX Ingenuity software control are PC only. While the Quadcast excels for basic Xbox chat, remember it operates as a standard USB audio device. You won't have access to its advanced features without a PC connection. It supports wired connections only, no wireless or Bluetooth options. Custom polar patterns must be configured via PC before Xbox use. The mic captures mono audio at 48 kHz sample rate, ideal for voice but not multi-track recording. Position the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth, using the included shock mount for optimal clarity. If issues persist, check HyperX's support site for Xbox-specific troubleshooting. Keep both Quadcast and Xbox firmware updated for best performance and compatibility.